Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your Typeform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Stripe to your Typeform anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Typeform, you know that you can add Stripe into a Typeform, so that way your customers can pay immediately with their credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Stripe account, you need to do it at the form level. So what you're going to do is here on the top left, first make sure you're working in the correct workspace. So I just have this one right here. Once you've chosen the workspace, make sure that you've clicked on forms here on the top left. Once you've done that, you're going to see all of the forms that you have in Typeform. You can see I have 4 right here. Now you want to choose which one you want to add your Stripe into. So for example, we'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up one of my forms in Typeform. So this is assuming you've already set up your Typeform. If you need help setting one of those up from the ground up, go back and watch my other video that describes this in detail. So what we're going to do on this Typeform is we're going to go ahead and make it so that way the user can go ahead and enter their credit card payment information in once we've connected our Stripe. So first, what we're going to do is off here to the left, you can see that I have, looks like 5 questions and a Calendly link. So somewhere along the chain here, I want them to go ahead and be able to make a payment. So we're going to click on add content. Once you click on add content, you're going to see all of these options, but you want to look for these yellow ones called other. And there's this one here called payment. So go ahead and click on payment. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the payment pop up here on the left side. Now just note this is a paid function. You're not going to be able to accept payments with credit card using your Stripe if you have the free plan. This is just my test account, so this is just a free plan. So first what you want to do is go ahead and rearrange this. So basically this is going to ask them a question, then it's immediately going to ask them for a payment. But me personally, I want them to make the payment before they go to my Calendly. So I'm going to go ahead and drag the payment section down here right before Calendly. Okay, now it's organized, and now we can go ahead and adjust this right here. So what we're going to do is just click in here, make your payment before I schedule. Okay, once you set that up, over here to the right, we're going to go ahead and adjust the payment. So here we need to choose the currency. So it's in euro, change this over to US dollars, and then we're going to change the price. So maybe I'm going to be charging this for $999. And then there's a button down here at the bottom that says continue. So let's say, give me my Chinese food. Okay, you can see the button changes down here. And if you want to add an image, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, now we have our payment set up. Now we need to connect our Stripe. So I'm going to click here on connect. Okay, next Typeform opens up this pop-up letting me know that my Stripe is not connected to my Typeform, so I need to log in with my Stripe. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, connect with Stripe. Okay, next we want to go ahead and enter in the email address that's associated with your Stripe account, not with your Typeform. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that email address in off screen. Okay, I entered in my email. I'm going to click on submit. Okay, next Stripe is asking for the password to my Stripe account. So I'm going to enter that in and then click submit. Okay, next Stripe sent me a text message to verify that it's me that's trying to connect my Stripe to my Typeform. So I'm going to grab that code and enter it in here. Okay, next Stripe opens up this browser. And if you have multiple companies inside your Stripe like I do, you want to go ahead and choose which company you want to associate with your Typeform. So I'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Stripe is asking for my website. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in here. Okay, next Stripe opened up my business information. So it shows my name, my address, tax information. So just go ahead and review that. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on agree and submit. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes into Typeform and it says everything works and the world is glorious. So let me click on close. Okay, now here we are back in my Typeform. And as you can see right here, instead of saying connect to Stripe, it actually shows my email address right there. So now these users are going to be able to enter their credit card information when they're filling out my form here. But you're not quite finished until you click on publish here on the top right. Once you click on publish, then this would go live. So as you can see, there's a little diamond next to it. So I can't publish this particular section inside my Typeform unless I upgrade my Typeform to a paid account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.